If YouTube keeps hosting defamatory videos about you, you're losing clients every day, and here's how to remove them without paying a lawyer. Here's the problem. YouTube gets 500 hours of uploads per minute, and most removal requests get auto-rejected. Screenshot the defamatory statements with timestamps within 24 hours before the uploader edits or deletes the video. File your removal request between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. Pacific Time, when YouTube's review queue has 40% fewer submissions. A competitor posts a video claiming you committed fraud. Within 72 hours, your Google search results show that video at the top. Potential clients see it before they see your website. You lose 3 contracts worth $18,000 in 1 week. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to handle defamation removal when your reputation is the product. YouTube's appeal process is buried in their legal pages, and one wrong word in your request flags it as spam. You need the exact process that works in 2026. Most people fail here. They click the 3-dot menu under the video, hit report, select spam or misleading, and YouTube auto-rejects it in 6 hours. That's the wrong path. YouTube's report button is for community guideline violations like nudity or violence. Defamation falls under legal complaints, not community flags. You need YouTube's legal complaint form, not the report button. With ReputationZilla, we file legal notices directly through YouTube's designated legal intake portal. Go to YouTube's Copyright and Legal Issues page. Click Legal Complaints, then Defamation. You'll land on a Google form that asks for your full legal name, the URL of the defamatory video, and the specific timestamp of each false statement. List every false claim separately with exact timestamps like 034, 112, 208. YouTube's legal team reviews these within 5 to 7 business days in 2026. Attach supporting evidence like contracts, court records, or business licenses that prove the statements are false. This is important. In the additional information box at the bottom of the form, write 1 paragraph explaining why the statements are provably false and how they harm your livelihood. Use the exact phrase, "These statements are false and defamatory under applicable law and cause measurable financial harm to my business." YouTube's legal reviewers scan for that exact wording because it signals you understand defamation law. Do not write an angry essay. Keep it under 100 words and cite one specific number like lost revenue or client count. Here's the problem. If you skip the evidence attachments in Step 2, YouTube's legal team has no way to verify your claim and auto-closes your request in 48 hours with a template rejection email. 73% of DIY defamation requests fail because the complainant submits the form with no supporting documents. YouTube is not going to investigate for you. They need proof in the initial submission or they close the ticket. Once you submit the form, YouTube sends a confirmation email with a case number. Reply to that email within 24 hours with a follow-up message. Use this exact wording. Insert your case number. Attached are additional exhibits, including screenshots of the defamatory video, business records proving the statement's false, and documented financial harm totaling dollar amount in lost revenue since date. I request expedited review under YouTube's defamation policy and am prepared to provide sworn declarations if required. This follow-up bumps your case to a senior reviewer and cuts the review time from 7 days to 3 days in most cases. Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla do it for you. We file the legal notice, compile the evidence packet, and follow up with YouTube's legal team until the video is removed. Insert your case number. Attached are additional exhibits including screenshots of the defamatory video, business records proving the statement's false, and documented financial harm totaling dollar amount in lost revenue since date. I request expedited review under YouTube's defamation policy and am prepared to provide sworn declarations if required. Use YouTube's legal complaint form, not the report button. Attach proof with exact timestamps and revenue numbers. Stop wasting weeks on this. ReputationZilla handles it end-to-end. Link in description. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for the complete guide. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.